In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between Exness accounts. If you have more than one trading account inside your Exness profile, moving money between them is usually a quick process. This is helpful if you want to fund a different account, manage your trading balance more efficiently, or simply reorganize your funds without using an external payment method. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts, payments, and account settings. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct profile and that the accounts you want to use are visible. Next, click on Deposit or Withdraw. Either option can lead you into the Payments area where internal transfer tools are available. Don't worry if the wording seems focused on adding or removing money because this section also includes options for moving funds between your own accounts. Once you're in the Payments section, scroll until you find the Internal Transfer area. Here, choose the option labeled Between Your Accounts. This is the correct feature for transferring funds from one Exness trading account to another under the same personal area. Make sure you select this option specifically since it is designed for internal movement rather than deposits from a bank card or other external method. After that, select the trading account you want to transfer funds from, and then choose the account you want to transfer funds to. This part is important, so double check both account numbers or labels before moving on. A simple review here can help prevent sending funds to the wrong trading account. Now enter the amount you want to transfer, which is typically shown in US dollars, and then click Continue. Be careful when typing the amount, especially if you're moving a larger balance. It's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that the figure is correct before proceeding. On the final screen, review all the transfer details carefully. You'll usually see the source account, the destination account, and the amount being transferred. If everything looks correct, enter the verification code or OTP sent to your selected security method and then confirm the transfer. That's it. Once confirmed, the internal transfer should be processed within your Exness accounts. Always review the updated balances afterwards so you can verify that the funds arrived in the correct account successfully.